Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cash out on Eventbrite. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Cashing out on Eventbrite is usually automatic, but you can manage or expedite payouts depending on your setup. Now in order to cash out on Eventbrite, what you need to do first is head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in eventbrite.com. Now once the homepage loads, what you need to do is simply log into your account. Then once logged in, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then what you need to do here is tap on manage my events. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is go to your event dashboard. Then you'll find an option that says payments and payouts. Then simply tap on that, and on the payouts settings click add a bank account. Then once that's done, all you gotta do is enter your bank info, and Eventbrite supports payouts to most major banks depending on your country. Then next is to check your payout schedule and view or request a manual payout if eligible. To do it, go to your event dashboard once again, and on the payments and payouts, tap request payout if available. Then choose the amount and confirm, and once that's done, all you gotta do is track your payouts. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.